Imagine telling your AI, remember that playlist we started last month? And it not only finds the conversation instantly, but picks up where you left off. That's exactly what Anthropic's Claude can now do. They've just rolled out Chat History Search, a powerful step toward persistent, context-aware conversations. For power users, 4 factors decide which AI they stick with: chat search, personalized memory, large context windows, and speed. Claude's catching up fast. The magic isn't just finding old conversations, it's what Claude can do with them. Thanks to MCP connectors, Claude integrates directly with Notion, Todoist, Spotify, and any API-enabled service. Federico Vitici from MacStories shows how this changes workflows. Claude found their incomplete playlist conversation, finished it with new tracks, and logged everything into his Notion daily note, all without manual prompting. ChatGPT doesn't match Claude's extensive MCP support yet. For many, that's the difference between AI as a research assistant and AI as a workflow engine. Anthropic is playing the long game. Once your AI has deep ties to your workspace, playlists, and task manager, switching becomes harder. It's Apple's ecosystem strategy for AI. Anthropic hasn't turned on personalized memory yet, but it's likely coming soon. Combined with chat search and tool integrations, Claude could become less chatbot, more digital coworker. Claude's chat search might seem small, until you see it revive a weeks-old project, finish the job, and update your tools without skipping a beat. That's when you realize, this isn't just AI remembering, it's AI working alongside you. The future of productivity isn't just smarter tools, it's tools that remember, connect, and act on your behalf. Subscribe for more AI workflow breakdowns and let me know in the comments, which AI integration would change your workflow the most.